Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
May I know your name and where you stay in Delhi?
My name is Vandana Kejriwal and I stay in South Delhi, Greater Kailash.
What is your child's age?
I have two children, two daughters actually. One is 8 and one is 5.
What exactly were you looking for a child?
It wasn't as if I was looking for something, but when I came to know about Friendly Toys, I thought it was a brilliant idea. And once I went through the entire concept, it totally appealed to me and I immediately subscribed to it.
So, which other toy libraries did you look for?
I didn't really look for anything else because once I came to know of this, I had already subscribed it and I was extremely satisfied with their services. But I did come to know of some few others here and there after I subscribed. But since I was already going with it, it didn't make sense to consider anything else.
Okay. So, you finally chose Friendly Toys. Can you share the reason as well?
See, the concept of not buying toys every other day and not having to store toys which really take up a lot of space, let me tell you. It's quite a tedious task. And then not having to clean the toys very regularly because they tend to collect dust irrespective of however well you maintain them. And for children who are 2 years, 1.5 years, 2.5, they tend to take these toys in the mouth, especially the plastic Lego type of toys. So they have to be on, being hygiene conscious, I have to clean them. So I had done away with all these things, which was really convenient. And going and looking for new toys every other day is also not such a convenient option. It's an extremely hassle-free option for me, so I'm very happy about it.
Based on your experience, tell us 2 more good things which you really like about them.
See, one thing I like about them is that they are very flexible to my travel time. Supposing I'm traveling for 3 weeks, they stop the service and restart it once I'm back. So my 3 weeks that I'm not in town are not wasted of my subscription. And they do update their libraries very regularly and they send toys which are very child and age friendly. So that really is convenient. And third thing is, since my children are looking for new toys every week, it's quite an excitement for them. They are very happy about the whole concept. And they are exposed to a lot more than I would have otherwise been able to expose them to. So which really is good.
And anything that could be better?
I was hoping that they start books, book library, because I personally feel reading is very important for children. And they did start books, but very honestly, I'm not 100% happy with their book collection. That really needs to be worked upon on a more child-friendly way. I personally am not very happy with this exposure of Chhota Bheem and these kind of things. So these kind of books and CDs again is adding, which the children are already exposed to through the TV. So I feel if there are many other options for books and there are some really amazing books in the market. So if they update their reading library, that would really be good.
Okay. So last question. On a scale of 1 to 5, how likely are you to recommend Friendly Toys to other parents?
5. I already have recommended it to many parents among my children's friends' mothers, and some of them have even subscribed and they are also equally happy as I am with the service.
Thank you so much for your feedback, ma'am.
Most welcome.